Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Toyota Tacoma. Stock number is A7700. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires, running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look at the bed. You do have an access soft cover on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. The inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Tacoma on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.